Lessons in Chemistry by Bonnie Garmus is a novel set in the 1960s, following the story of Elizabeth Zott, a brilliant yet undervalued chemist who dreams of becoming a scientist. Elizabeth's aspirations are hindered by societal norms that dictate women's roles during that era. Despite facing discrimination and being relegated to a teaching position instead of conducting research,
Elizabeth's determination and intelligence shine through as she navigates the challenges of both her professional and personal life. The book highlights several important themes and benefits for readers. Gender equality and breaking stereotypes. The story emphasizes the struggle against gender discrimination in the sciences and workplace, shedding light on the challenges women faced in pursuing careers in male-dominated fields. It inspires readers to challenge stereotypes and fight for equal opportunities, pursuit of dreams and passion. Elizabeth's unwavering passion for chemistry and her persistence in pursuing her dreams serve as an inspiration. The book encourages readers to follow their passions and not give up even when faced with obstacles. Resilience and determination. Elizabeth's resilience and determination. It encourages readers to stay strong and resilient in pursuing their goals despite setbacks. Importance of education and learning. The novel underscores the significance of education and continuous learning. Elizabeth's journey highlights the value of knowledge and the impact it can have on shaping one's future, personal growth, and independence. Throughout the story, Elizabeth undergoes personal growth, becoming more independent and confident in her abilities. This aspect encourages readers to embrace self-discovery and growth. Even in challenging circumstances overall, Lessons in Chemistry offers a compelling narrative that delves into gender equality, determination, and personal growth. Its portrayal of a strong-willed protagonist navigating the complexities of her time resonates with readers, inspiring them to pursue their passions and overcome societal barriers.